Hey guys, welcome to my May health update. I am doing the Candida cleanse right now, so I started 1 week into May, and I'm taking 2 of the Candy Clear pills, and right now my symptoms are okay. I seem to have a lot more like snot and like allergy symptoms, which I'm not sure if it's just allergies or if it's related to the Candida cleanse. And I guess I feel a little more tired, but I'm going to up it to 4 pills a day for June and July. I may do 3 for June and 4 for July. I haven't decided yet, but that's my plan for summer. We're in full summer break here, which is really, really exciting. I'm trying to relax as much as possible. Last week I said yes to like 6 things, and I thought, hey, no big deal. We're in summer break. We're off school. I have been so exhausted. It's crazy. So next week I'm keeping it to just the minimum, and I'm going to really try not to say yes to extra things ever again. Maybe I'll invite more people coming over to my house than traveling, meeting up, and doing crazy things, because I have to cook, I have to clean, and those are my priorities here. And I don't want to get so exhausted that my house falls apart, because then I fall apart as a mother. So my health is kind of doing up and down. It's hard some days. Like I pulled a muscle in my neck and I was bedridden all of yesterday, but I have an old injury from a car accident, so that's more understandable. And it flares up once every 3 or 4 months now, so it's not that big of a deal, and it's already better. I'm already up and around. I can't really move my head all the way this way. Yesterday I couldn't move it at all this way, but I can still go this way just fine. It's this way hurts. And laying down, if I lay down, I have to be really careful on this side. But tomorrow I have yoga, and that should really help. As for all of my other health issues, things are looking great. My gut issues, I have a lot of bloating from the Candida cleanse, but my gut issues are doing well. My energy levels are, I would say, a little bit lower than normal. Like normal, I have 3 children and homeschooling normal. So I expect to be tired, but I'm a little more tired. But my kids are doing well, and I'm doing well. I'm just trying to soak in the moment and declutter as much as possible. And I am not pregnant, and we are not preventing. I don't know if I'll get pregnant. Every day I feel a little bit different. Do I want another baby? Sometimes. Do I want to be pregnant again? Sometimes. Do I have time to be intimate with my husband? Not really. Things are just really crazy. It's crazy and crazy. I haven't filmed any new Paper Sloyd tutorials, but I'm going to do that this week and then schedule them out. I usually do 3 at a time, schedule them for Tuesdays, and I have our nature notebooks for my son's 4th grade year and my daughter's 1st grade year coming up soon, and I sat down and we went through them together, and it was hilarious because Esther screamed through part of it. So that's what that is. And another really cool update, this is kind of turning into just an update video, is that I got an email from this Charlotte Mason homeschool thing, and they want to send me some Paper Sloyd stuff because they saw my videos, and so I'm going to make a video about that. I'll tell you more about that later because I haven't gotten it yet, but I'm really excited because I'm the weird lady who loves Paper Sloyd, so yes, I'm very excited, and my kids are going to do more projects, and I don't know if they're excited, but I'm excited. So here we go. Whew. Tomorrow's Monday. I do plan to do Sloyd with my children tomorrow. I may film that lesson so you can see what an actual lesson is like. And my daughter is finishing up year 1 of Paper Sloyd by Edna Ann Reich, and my son is finishing up the term 3 or year 3 ones. He's in year 4, but we haven't started on Cardboard Sloyd yet. I'm just behind a little bit because of having a baby named Esther Rose. But I'm in a good mood today, and I'm in a good mood today. It feels good. Everything's all right for once. And I'm trying to trust the Lord more and to lean into Him and to not let the whole world that I can't control just ruin my day, and trying to have good boundaries with the internet and with consumerism, and just count my blessings instead of look at what I don't have. And these are good healing things that are helping me. Yeah, that's how the month of May is going. Esther turned 2. I can't believe it. She turned 2 on May 1st. I have a 2-year-old. I gave birth 2 years ago. Where did the time go? Yeah, I want to weigh myself. My goals for June and July. I'll probably make a June and July video just in one because of the summer. June and July, I guess my goals are to weigh myself to see how much I weigh, and I would like to lose a little bit of weight, especially in my hips and thighs. Some of my clothes, pre-pregnancy, before I got pregnant with Esther, I was consistently wearing larges, and I have some really nice large linen skirts that I love that I can't wear because they don't fit me anymore. I did buy 2 new skirts, I've had them for a while, and they're extra large, and those fit me, but I want to wear my other ones that I miss. So those will be some goals for June and July. I want to get outside more. So those are my 3 goals. Weigh myself, think about some ways that I could lose some weight. That probably won't happen until I finish breastfeeding, and get outside more. 3 goals for June and July. I'll see you guys later. Bye.